Can you use Gemini AI in the UK? Intro. Question hook. Ever wondered if you can harness the power of Gemini AI, Google's latest language model, right here in the UK? Well, let's dive in and find out. Building context. What is Gemini AI? Start by explaining what Gemini AI is and its capabilities. Highlight its ability to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Why UK? Discuss the significance of the UK in the global tech landscape. Mention the country's strong tradition of innovation and its role in shaping AI development. Addressing the main question. Legal and regulatory landscape. Explore the legal and regulatory framework in the UK regarding AI. Discuss relevant laws, regulations, and data privacy concerns that might impact Gemini AI's usage. Data privacy concerns. Delve into data privacy issues, especially concerning the handling and storage of personal data. Explain how Gemini AI might be affected by GDPR and other data protection regulations. Potential restrictions. Discuss any potential restrictions or limitations that might be imposed on Gemini AI's use in the UK. This could include restrictions on certain types of content generation or limitations on data access. Case studies. Share real-world examples of how Gemini AI is being used in the UK. This could include examples from businesses, academia, or individuals. Benefits of using Gemini AI in the UK. Enhanced productivity. Discuss how Gemini AI can improve productivity in various fields, such as content creation, research, and customer service. Innovation and creativity. Explore how Gemini AI can stimulate innovation and creativity by assisting with idea generation, problem solving, and design. Educational opportunities. Highlight the potential educational benefits of Gemini AI, including its ability to provide personalized learning experiences and support language learning. Challenges and considerations. Bias and fairness. Address the issue of bias in AI and discuss how Gemini AI might be affected by biases present in its training data. Ethical implications. Explore the ethical implications of using AI, such as the potential for job displacement or misuse. Technical limitations. Discuss any technical limitations of Gemini AI, such as its ability to understand context or generate accurate information. Best practices for using Gemini AI in the UK. Ethical guidelines. Provide guidance on ethical considerations when using Gemini AI, including avoiding harmful or discriminatory content. Data privacy compliance. Explain how to ensure compliance with data privacy regulations, such as obtaining consent and implementing appropriate security measures. Responsible use. Encourage responsible use of Gemini AI, emphasizing the importance of critical thinking and fact-checking. Conclusion. Recap key points. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, including the legal and regulatory landscape, benefits, challenges, and best practices. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on the future of Gemini AI in the UK and its potential impact on society. Call to action. Encourage viewers to explore Gemini AI further and share their experiences. Closing. Sharp ending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.